Hey there! If you are looking for a detailed, honest walkthrough and review of the newly launched Prezentar software, then pay close attention to this very video. As you may already know, with Prezentar, you could create training courses, webinar presentations, promotional videos, video sales letters, incredible pitch deck slides, tutorial videos, and many more for your personal use or for your clients. Now, Prezentar is the holy grail and mother of all presentation software ever, and it covers everything you'll need to make it as an entrepreneur. You'll be able to create professional presentations faster and easier than you could have ever imagined. Now listen, to help you make sense of this amazing new software and its powerful features, we have put together the most comprehensive Prezentar training webinar covering everything that Prezentar offers. You'll learn why Prezentar is currently the best presentation software on the market and how it outshines PowerPoint in many ways. See our step-by-step walkthrough of the Prezentar app and how you can start creating amazing presentations in just a few minutes. Learn how to monetize Prezentar and start landing high-quality, high-paying clients right from inside the Prezentar dashboard, and so much more. In addition to that, we also have put together some exciting high-quality bonuses that will help you to start creating killer presentations like a pro. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below to watch our detailed webinar and claim all your amazing bonuses right now.